Welcome to ClosetCRM's Company Drive, your central place for team-wide file sharing. To get started, simply click Company Drive on the main menu. This section is visible to all team members, making it the ideal spot for shared documents like internal forms or reference materials. Next, click the Upload button to add files like PDFs, images, or spreadsheets. Currently, only admins can upload files, so your important documents stay organized and secure. There's no limit to how many you can upload, but you may upload 10 files at a time from your computer. You can also pull files from internet links, Facebook, Instagram, or from Google Drive. Once uploaded, you can view files directly in the system. If something's out of date, you can also delete it to keep things tidy. All team members have easy access to these shared documents in one central location. And that's how you use the Company Drive feature in ClosetCRM. It's a simple way to store and share important files across your entire team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.